Hey everybody, Nemo060 here, and this is just going to be a quick video in response to this Sky News, segment on this new missing link, Ida, which appears to be a very, very early primate, one of the first primates, and could be, the very beginnings of human evolution. Now, first I want to make clear that I am not a creationist. I know evolution is more or less a fact, and I know quite a considerable amount of it. And so I know about many transitional forms, and I know that humans are primates, etc, etc, etc. But I just have a few questions concerning this video, and concerning this fossil as well. First of all, people are calling it the missing link. However, the missing link between what? As far as I'm aware, the missing link between humans and apes has not been missing for quite a while now. To the best of my knowledge, we have quite an extensive amount of transitional forms between apes and well, I say apes, but technically are apes, lesser apes, and humans. And we know that our most recent, we share our most recent common ancestor with chimps. And to the best of my knowledge, the earliest hominid, which was a transitional form, which went just from ape to start being human. Again, I know that humans are apes, but I'm just saying ape for simplicity's sake. And as far as I'm aware, Australopithecus afarensis, sorry for the stutter there, that was the main transitional form, and that was which is now no longer a missing link between humans and apes. And so, what is this a missing link between? Is this a missing link between the apes, which would become humans, and lemurs, or is it something else? Because it's really not being clear, and the news article seems to make it as if this is going to revolutionise science and prove Darwinism, prove Darwin's theory beyond the shadow of a doubt, even though it's been proven quite a few times already. Now, unlike some people who I shall remain nameless for the sake of Darwin, for the sake of not spreading drama, I will not name the names. But some people have just called it just a lemur, the fossil of a lemur. I think this is rather ignorant, but I can see that it clearly looks a lot like a lemur. Is it the earliest species of lemur, or what would become modern lemurs that we found? And again, is it a transitional fossil, which is the beginnings, the first separation from the branch which would become lemurs and the primates that would become humans? That's the main thing I want to clarify. And also, this news article, which I will link in the description box right over there, it also said that this could be proving evolution and be a killer to Christianity, and prove that creation is wrong once and for all. Although we proved creation is more or less wrong numerous times, we don't have to do this again. We've done it so many times that it's not really a controversy. There's an illusion of the controversy. There is no real dispute over whether Darwin's theory of evolution is true or not, as many people will know. And this says absolutely nothing about religion. You're still this creationist who recently made a video calling this just a lemur. She's entitled to her belief, she's entitled to believe in God, but it's not science. That's the main thing. The main thing we want to outline in creation is not science. It's just a personal belief. It does not stand up to real world physics, and even seems to have some logical flaws in it. Now, I'm not saying that there definitely is no God, and there definitely is. All religions are completely false. I'm not saying this at all. However, given the scientific understanding that we have of the world today and the universe and everything, then it's more likely that it is false. However, this does not prove that religion is false. It says nothing on religion at all. All this is going to be talking about, all this is going to be saying in terms of what the fossil uncovers, is what the earliest forms of earliest species of this animal is actually going to be like, and what features and how it's distinguished between modern day lemurs, or what other species there might have been at the time which were more in the branch and the family line, if you will, towards modern lemurs, and what distinguishes this and, you know, makes it our earliest ancestor, you know, in terms of the earliest primates. That is what the evidence is going to be telling us. It says nothing whatsoever about religion at all. Whether you believe in religion or not, it's important to understand that science makes no comment on the supernatural. It is completely agnostic. Anyway, that's out of the way. And so, if you have any other questions regarding evolution, and if you can answer my question, please either put it in the comment section or make a video response. And, you know, feel free to talk about this issue. Although, if you know who I'm referring to when I'm talking about this creationist who has recently referred to it as just a lemur, then please avoid mentioning your name, and I do not want any hate, please. I want to avoid drama at all costs, please. This is 960, and I shall see you all on the dark side of the moon.